Yes, good morning to all. Today we are going to learn backward counting from 100 to 1.
Children, let's start to count 100, 99, 98, 97, 96, 95, 94, 93, 92, 91, 90, 89, 88, 87, 86, 85, 84, 83, 82, 81, 80, 79, 78, 77, 76, 75, 74, 73, 72, 71, 70, 69, 68, 67, 66, 65, 64, 63, 62, 61, 60, 59, 58, 57, 56, 55, 54, 53, 52, 51, 50, 49, 48, 47, 46, 45, 44, 43, 42, 41, 40, 39, 38, 37, 36, 35, 34, 33, 32, 31, 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Clear, children?
Then children, our next topic is ascending and descending order. So children, ascending means the numbers from smallest to biggest. Okay. Then descending means numbers from biggest to smallest. Okay. So children, ascending means going up and descending means coming down. Clear? So children, let's do these activities. Okay. So children, here some numbers. So arrange ascending order. In these numbers, arrange ascending order. So 99, 74, 14, 43. So ascending means numbers from smallest to biggest. Okay. So which is the smallest number? 99, 70, 74, 14 and 44. Which is smallest number? Yes, 14 is smallest. So first 14, then next smallest 74. No, 43 is smallest. 43, then next, yes, 74 and 99. Clear? 14, 43, 74, 99. Smallest to biggest. Then here 19, 9, 69, 91. So which is the smallest number in this set? Yes, 9 is smallest. So we write, first we write 9, then next second, yes, 19. Then third smallest, 69. Then next 91. 9, 19, 69, 91. Clear, children? ascending order? Yes. Then next arrange in descending order. Descending means coming down. So biggest to smallest. So here 31, 39, 13, 14. So which is the biggest number in this edge? First we write biggest number. So which is biggest number? Yes, 39 is biggest number. 39. Then second biggest? Yes, 31. 31. Then next? Yes, 14. 14. Then 13. Clear, children? Then next 17, 14, 19, 42. So which is the biggest number? Yes, 42 is the biggest number. So first we write number 42. Then next biggest 19. Then next 19. Then biggest, yes, 17. Then 14. Clear, children? So you do in your textbook activities. Okay. Our next topic, cardinal and ordinal numbers. Cardinal and ordinal numbers. So first, cardinal numbers. Listen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These numbers are called cardinal numbers. Clear? Then next, ordinal numbers. Sometimes we use the numbers to show a position or order. Okay, so that is ordinal numbers. So ordinal numbers are first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, etc. Okay, that numbers are called ordinal numbers. Ordinal numbers. Clear? So listen. The position of 1, first. First spelling F I R S T. First. It is written as first. Okay. Then 2, second. Position of 2, second. S-E-C-O-N-D. Second. Second. Clear? Then 3, third. T-H-I-R-D. Third. Third. Then fourth. Fourth. F-O-U-R-T-H. Fourth. So it is written as like this. Fourth. Then fifth. Fifth. F-I-F-T-H. Fifth. Like this. Fifth. Then sixth is the position. Sixth. S-I-X-T-H. Sixth. Sixth. Then seventh. Seventh. Seven and TH. Seventh. Okay. Seventh. Then eighth. Eighth. E-I-G-H-T. G H T H. Eighth. Written as like this. Then ninth is the position of ninth. Ninth. N I N T H. Ninth. N I N T H. Written as like this. Okay. Then last one, tenth. Ten. T E N T H. Tenth. Clear? Written as like this. Tenth. Okay. So first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th. These are ordinal numbers. Ordinal numbers. Clear, children? Okay. Then here, let's do this activity. Circle second one. Which is second one? So listen. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th. So which is the second one? First, second. So circle the second one. Okay. Then circle the eighth. Eighth. So look, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth. So this is the eighth one. So circle the eighth one. Clear, children? Okay. So all of you do in your textbook activities. Okay. So children, time is wind up. So thank you. Bye.